This is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I am going to discuss the Pixel 7a for after using it for about a week now, and I just want to go over my experience, give everyone an update regarding the phone, go over some things I like and dislike about it. Now, these are my dislikes and likes. If you had the phone, yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. You know, we can talk about the price, we can talk about if you should upgrade, and we can talk about the cameras, battery life, and all of that. So let's get into it. Like I said, I've been having it for about a week now, and I am enjoying it overall. There's a couple things I don't like about it, a couple things that have me worry about it, but let's get into it. The first thing that I want to bring up is the size of the phone. I think I did this in my 24 hours later. I don't like small phones. They, you know, and I know when I bought the phone, it was going to be a small phone. So it's not a deal breaker, but I wish it was just a bigger screen. I do like big phones, and I cannot lie. And when someone has a itty bitty phone, just doesn't really do, you know, I need the bigger phones. But if you like this size of phone, then you would love it. I mean, a lot of people like, you know, the 6.3 inch display. People like the size of the phone, and I understand that. It's a good size if you like the smaller phones. I like my S23 Ultra. I like the Z Fold 4. Even a OnePlus 11, you know, is a good size phone. Now, again, it's not a deal breaker. I knew what I was buying it when I bought it. Not that big of a deal. The other thing I'm not impressed with so far is battery life. I know battery life is also subjective based on who's using it. I just know yesterday I had like three and a half hours of screen on time, and at 20% I was charging it at like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the afternoon, which is, I mean, that's not good at all. But I know sometimes I can get through the day, but it's just not that impressive yet. Hopefully it's still learning me, and that will change, you know, after I've been using it for a month or so, or maybe 2 weeks. I'll come back and let y'all know. But I haven't been impressed with the battery life on the phone so far. But that's pretty much the only things I can really think about. There's not really, the fingerprint scanner is good. It's just not as fast as, say, my Samsung fingerprint scanner, or even the OnePlus seems a little bit quicker. But one thing it does have for it, the 6.3 inch OLED panel is a beautiful display. Watching YouTube on it is good. I mean, if you like smaller screens, it's good. But the colors look good. The dual speakers, I am impressed with those. They sound great. Using this as an everyday phone sounds really good. Like making phone calls, texts, anything that you need to do. Speaker calls is great. The cameras on here are really good. This is actually the Pixel 7a camera right now in 4K at 60 frames. So y'all let me know, how does everything look? How does that sound? I mean, I think the cameras are probably the best feature on this phone. So you can get, for $499, you get a lot of, you know, the Google features. You get the cameras on here. You get all the call services that you can normally get with Google, like the call waiting or the call answering, whatever they call it. The spam call rejects. I mean, everything that you expect from a Google Pixel like 7 Pro, you get with the 7a. So you get a lot for your money. You really do. Now, the other thing I keep on getting answers about, or questions about, should you upgrade from the Pixel 6a? After using this phone for about a week now, I'm going to say yes. I would say yes, because this one has some features like the 90 hertz refresh rate. It has wireless charging, water resistance. I would say yes, this is a better camera array. I would say that the 7a is a better option for you. Now, if you have the 6a and you're happy with it, then don't go ahead and upgrade. I mean, if you're happy with it and you know it, don't upgrade. It's your money. But if you're thinking about it, oh, should I upgrade? You know, go for it, man. If you have the money, go for it. You know, it's your money. You can upgrade with no issues, and I think you'll be very happy with what you're getting. The other question we get, should you pick this over the 7 or 7? Yeah, should you get this one or the 7? That's another tough choice. I still don't have the answer to that one yet. Because if you can find the 7 at a cheaper price, then I would say yes. But if not, then stick with the 7A. Because it is a good phone. The battery life might not be the best, but it's a good phone overall. So I just want to give a little update on it. Speaker is good. The display is awesome. Speaker are good on here. The cameras are really good. You get all the camera features, like, you know, you get the blur out thing if you want to remove magic eraser. You get good portrait mode in here. You don't get a telephoto lens, which is okay. I mean, I don't zoom in that much anyway. You do get ultra wide. The 4K footage is great. That is where Google is improving a lot. It's the 4K footage. You get 4K in the front cameras too now. The Tensor chip, G2 chip on here is good. It performs. I still have to do a gaming test, which I will do in a moment. So overall, I'm enjoying the phone. I will update y'all in about another week or so if anything changes. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see on, this device. Hopefully y'all like these type of car vlogs. Hopefully you do. If you don't, or if you do, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7a. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation and listen to the baby girl. She purrs like a beast. All right, y'all. Peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.